Will the guests please be seated? Ladies and gentlemen, Captain David Beardsley, Commanding Officer, Naval Health Clinic, Great Lakes, United States Navy.
Distinguished guests, staff of North Chicago Veterans Medical Center and Naval Health Clinic, Great Lakes, good afternoon. And thank you for the outstanding support of our men and women in uniform, as well as our honored veterans. The first part of this ceremony is an honored Navy tradition, transfer of authority. This will be eclipsed by our launch into the future with the opening of the Federal Health Care Center. As with any beginning, I give thanks to those who have made this possible, and I would like to recognize my Navy family, starting with my wife, Ellen, a Navy veteran, officer, gentlewoman, whose tireless support and love has made me a better man. Thank you. My oldest three sons, Philip, David, Brian, are also here. Thank you for your enduring of the countless moves. It's really good to have you back for a weekend. Thank you for being here. And my youngest, I have to acknowledge, he's playing football this weekend on the East Coast and cannot attend, but he is here in spirit. And finally, I'd like to thank all our friends and family and colleagues who have honored Ellen and I with your attendance. Thank you. Please let me honor the commanding officer of the prior commanding officer of NHC Great Lakes, Tom McHugh, and his lovely family. Tom, it has been a privilege and honor to work with you for these past few months. You have guided the ship flawlessly into new waters, and I could not have had a finer predecessor and friend. Naval Health Clinic Great Lakes is in Bristol condition, and I thank you, Tom. Thank you. My remarks will be brief. I do need to acknowledge my personal fallen comrades, so for a moment, please indulge me. These are for the souls of Steve Chetnecki, Captain Ross McMahon, and Lieutenant Commander York. All good men, taken far too soon, as we only know good men die young. Secretary Garcia, Admiral Stock, and Steindl, Great Lakes is absolutely critical to the Navy. The recruiting training mission as our personal pipeline to the fleet will have our greatest attention. Secretary Petzel, Dr. Morowski, Mr. Sullivan, the Navy stands by ready to assist with veterans care. And to the honorables, Senator Durbin, Congressman Kirk, Congressman Bean, the FHCC stands ready to be good stewards of our nation's greatest treasures, our heroes of past, present, and future. We are the future, grounded in the traditions of the past. As our two rich cultures blend, I pledge my commitment and that of my crew to uphold our shared values, remembering that honor, courage, and commitment carry all sailors confidently into uncharted waters. I additionally implore that our better angels guide us, the FHCC, with their crew, patients, and staff, away from all rocks and shoals, that we will inhabit all unions. In faith and trust in powers greater than we are, as individuals, I am confident that our new family will be blessed with richness of success. Thank you.
Very good.